Welcome back. Today we are going to be changing the serger thread. I've currently got a black thread on my serger and I'm planning changing it into white, as you do. I was making some wrist wraps, so I did some dark coloured ones. I finished these. I need a white thread now here, so we'll be changing the thread on singing machine. So here are my white serger cones. The order you're supposed to put it: red, yellow, green and blue. 1, 2, 3 and 4. What I tend to use, 1 and 2 are using more threads, so I'm looking which one I've got least on, so I'm going to put that on number 3 or 4. Where it goes. This just folds into here. I wonder if I should try one first. No, living in containers that way. That's done. Number 3. Just through the comment, I've never tried it before, so either it goes well or it goes horribly wrong. So always good to test things that you've heard and see if it works. Back through that, and let's tie it up. And the last one. So question now is, do the people just sew with it and hope for the best? I'll try that. So I haven't touched any of here. I just tied up my white colour to the black one that was previously here, and we're gonna put some fabric in here and try if the colour changes itself automatically. That would be so cool. I'll be using some scraps to do that. Maybe I'll go a little bit slower. Oh, I haven't even put it on. Once I put it on, it should work. One white has come through, so another white has come through, so we might be in for a success. No, it broke. So what did we get? Black to start with, changed one colour, changed another colour. It was the 3 and 4 that were not happy. At least you know now it's not gonna work. Not too bad, half a win for us. So we're gonna attempt to number 3 and 4 threads through. These are the ones that are doing just straight lines, so they're pretty important. So I find it best to use tweezers. Your sewing machine or serger is usually provided with one. So the foot down, make sure it's been cut. Actually, right, got it through. So number 3 is through. 3 is on the right hand side and 4 is on the left hand side. Make sure it comes through straight. Push into the back. Another tip, I'm full of tips today, is keep hold of the ends when you start sewing. I'm going to be using my scrap that I had before. When I started using serger, I didn't realise that this is supposed to be closed, so I'm going to leave it open and keep an eye on it, fingers crossed. Because the threads are then falling inside the machine, so that's why you're supposed to close it. We have a success! Yay! Alright, let's have a closer look. Oh, can you see it? A little bit loose, but I think it's gonna sort itself out. And this side is perfect. So this is how you change serger thread. Super easy. So let's recap. What did we do? We tried tying a new colour to the previous colour and just keep serging and hope that it's going to come through. 2 of the lines worked, 2 didn't, so taking home from here is number 1 and 2, you can get them through by tying them up, and these 2 are the most hardest ones to get through the machine because you have to literally go inside the machine to get them in the right places. And then the 3 and 4, don't use that making a knot and hoping that it's come through technique. I think that is because it goes through the nail and the knot is too big for the nail. So you don't have to test it out, I've done it for you. So let's get back to my other video where I had to use the white one. So